Hey guys, welcome to my fifth AutoIT Coding Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make edit boxes, which are just like input boxes, except you can add a lot more information into them, and they have scroll bars, so you can like just add a ton. I don't think there's a limit, so it's great for inputting lists like proxies because it has a multi-line feature. Um, I think it's default. It multi-lines information like. I have an example right here that I'm gonna use. If it's like this, multi-line, one word per line, it will input it like that, just like it is here. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna make a basic GUI real fast. You can't make edit boxes in here, so I'm just gonna add the button. It doesn't have to be big, just like that. And our button. Load list. Okay, that's fine. Export our script. Right when I was recording before, my computer just shut off because of the battery, and I was like pissed. Alright, why do I do this? Sorry. Open up your site editor. Oh, gotta remember these files. So copy these. Alright, we're gonna open our GUI and make sure you have these three file or four, five files. GUI constants, EX, Windows constants, edit constants, GUI edit, and constants. Go ahead, pause it, whatever, just to get those in. And now let's make sure our GUI is good. Oh no. With Alright, fine. Now we're gonna make our edit box real fast. Just edit equals UI. Wow. Control create edit. No text in it. It's gonna be left top. Um, 280, 270, yeah. Height 150. That's perfect right there. It's perfect how it is right there. As you can see, you can multi-line it, and it has that little sweet scrolling bar for both. So I don't think you can like for inputting proxies is really good. But now we're gonna go ahead and make that load list button a function. Here's our while statement. Um, if we click exit, it exits. If you click the button, it becomes function button one. So here's our load button one down here. So let's go fast. Wow. Someone asked me if it matters if your functions or whatever you're doing is lowercase or uppercase. Wherever it doesn't matter at all, as long as the letters are right. So don't worry about that. Alright, I'm just going to make a quick variable which equals a title or something. It's just going to be message. Um, uh, click, shift to select multiple files. It's going to be the directory. I don't know why. I always do that. Now your var is going to equal what file you select, and it's going to be the dialog box that comes up. Like this is a dialog box, this thing where you select files. It's going to be file, open, dialog. And it's going to be your title, which is that variable up there, message. Your directory, it's going to be your desktop here, so it's going to be, I don't know why it always does this. There we go. Desktop. And it's going to be, add your filter, it's going to be what separates your files, so, and it's just going to be a slash, that backward slash. And now it's going to be what kind of files, it's going to do lists. I'll show you where all this is. .text files. Oh, what the fuck did I do? What the hell? Oh, that was kind of cool. Anyway, and our quotations. I'll show you right now. Hold on. Well, not right now. Now we're gonna do file read. This variable. So it's gonna read what's inside the file that we selected. We're going to make that a variable as well. File equals file read var. Now we're going to do an if statement. If an error occurs, which the error for this is if you don't choose a file, error, then message box no files were selected. Or else, so if this doesn't happen, or like if this happens, then you do that. But if it doesn't, or else this happens, basically. So we're gonna do GUI control set data. Now we're gonna set the data of that input box to what file we chose. Or since up here we read what's in the file, the text file that we chose, it's going to be stored, the information in that file is going to be stored here. So we're going to change, in that file. So we're going to change the data in our edit box to be our file, what the data is in that file. And just, and function. Okay. Go ahead and test this out. Oh, and if. My bad. Okay. Here's our edit box. Load list. What is this? Oh, wow. I forgot to equal here. Okay, see, here's our dialog box that opens, and then here's your desktop directory, which is pretty cool. And here's the file type, which is right here. Hold on. Your file type is right here, and then that's what comes up right here. And then we're gonna just select the file. Now that file read is gonna read what's in that file right there. Then we're gonna open it, and now it's gonna input it like that. There you go. It inputted what was in that text file into this edit box. Of course, it would be, if there was much more, it would go down in the list. But let's see what happens if you don't select a file. Cancel. Here, no files were selected, which is pretty cool. So, I hope you enjoyed my 5th tutorial on how to input or make edit boxes and input information using your file open dialog box that comes up. I should be making this 6th tutorial, of course, which should be coming out soon. I don't know what I'm going to choose, but I'll make it interesting for you guys. So I'll see you later.